Hello friends, today 22nd April, it is World Mother Earth's Day. We all shower our love over Mother Earth throughout the year, but nothing wrong in having one special day for Mother Earth. This year's Mother Earth Day's theme is Climate Action. We all know climate change is a big problem of Mother Earth now. It has caused a lot of damage. Some of the damages are irreparable damages, while some we can still work upon to make things better. I know many of you might say, how can we do it alone? But why not? I think many of you now are aware of Padma Shri Salumarada Thimmakka. She is a 100-plus-year-old lady who single-handedly planted around 400 banyan trees, and with her husband she has actually planted thousands of other trees too. There is also a bus conductor from Tamil Nadu, Yoganathan. Single-handedly, this man has planted more than 1 lakh trees across 32 districts of the state. So it is not like we cannot do it alone. Nothing better if we have a group, if we join an organization. But something or the other we can always chip in to help the environment so that it can help the Mother Earth. On this day, let us take a pledge to little bit do whatever we can, whatever small task we can do, which can help Mother Earth. Also, on this day, I would like to congratulate Vision Pravaho. It's a social organization mainly for the students, mainly made by the students of IIT Kharagpur, who are working to make the campus better, but they are also working outside the campus. 2 years back on this day, we all founded this organization, and in this 2 years, this organization has actually done a lot of work. This whole organization worked to remove the single-use plastic from the campus, and they have been lot of success. They have got a lot of success also in this. This was something we all pledged 2 years back on this day. Congratulations to Vision Pravaho. May you all do a lot better. I was there with you all then. I'm still there, and I'll be there always for you all. Again, to all the citizens of this Mother Earth, a very happy Earth Day.